Hello viewers, you should watch this video if you want to use the Bayer Contour Next device, or even if you are using since long this device. In this video I will explain many more steps which will be more informative for you, so please take your device out and stay with me to the end of this video. First of all, you should read this booklet. Here you can see here is the light. These light indicator are actually in the device that will show you the range of your sugar level, whether it is in target, below the target or above the target. The green light will show you your sugar level is in the range or in the target level. The red one will show you your sugar level is below the target, and the yellow color will show you your sugar level is above the target. Here we will make in the device few settings. You can see here in the picture: fasting meal marker, before meal marker, and after meal marker. These are very important if you are using the device, so you should know when you make testing, so you should click these marker which will give you the accurate result, whether your sugar level is above the level, below the level, or in the target. Let me explain you one thing here also to you. If you are testing your sugar level and your device show you LO, so your sugar level is very low. For example, it will be under 10 milligram per deciliter. The H1 you see here, it will show you your sugar level is more high. You can see here still above the 600 milligram per deciliter. So what you have to do in these conditions, you have to take a new strip and make a new test. If still your result is the same H1 or LO, so you should consult with your physician. Now take your device out or unbox your device and let's explain few steps here. When you unbox your device, so you will find few items. For example, this pin for the lancet, this box for the strips, and this is your glucometer. And these are the few lancets. So first start with the device. We will make setting in the device, which is the most important step in using the glucometer. So let's make first of all the setting here in the device. So take your device out and watch this video and set your device according to this video, and especially you should use this booklet for your guidance. This is the OK button which we will use in the setting up the device, in the results and everything. This is up and this is below, which we will use for going up or below. So first of all, turn on your device. When you turn on your device, especially the new device, so you will see the symbols like this. This is the book log which will store your sugar level the previously recorded. You can see this is the setting. So we will come here to the setting. First of all, press the setting option. So you will find the time format. So myself, I use 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour format, so you can change it. I will press this one. Okay. Then this will come to the time. So it's here 2 AM. So I will press OK. This is the AM and PM button. You can set according to the timing. We'll press OK to set the time. Here in this option, you can see this is days, month, and year. This DM shows your days, month, and year. I like this format. I want to show here the days first, then month, and then year. So I will select this one. Okay. You see this is the year. You can change the year. This is the month. This is the days. And this is the date. So I will click OK. So now you see here is one option on. What is about this? You can see the speaker here. This is for the sound of this device, which will almost beep when you make the sugar testing. So I will click this turn on. Here, these are the important steps. These are very important steps, and many people they ignore it when they are using the Bayer Contour next one. You should read these points well here in the booklet available. You can see here, I show you before also. This N apple cross mark, it shows fasting meal marker. If you wanna check your sugar level at fasting condition, so at least you should be fasting 8 hours. You can drink water, but no food and no calories drinks. Okay, so here you can see it's here. This another one is with the full apple. This is before meal marker, which is used before testing the sugar level at least 1 hour before meal. And this one you can see, this half apple is a sign for after meal. This is after meal marker. If you want to test your sugar level after 2 hours after your meal, so you should select this sign. So I will show you in this video when I do testing. So I will show you how can we use this marker. So guys, I did for you some testing which I will show you in this video. I did on fasting, and I select this option for that result. This one you can use before meal. You can set random even, and this one after meal especially. If you select this one, so you can get the correct result. Your device will tell you your result is correct or wrong, or your sugar level is high or low. And these values in milligram per deciliter are fixed and locked in this device. You cannot change this to millimole. In some country it's available in millimole, but in this device here it's available in milligram per deciliter, and you cannot change it. So let's go first of all start with testing of the device. Before sugar testing level, let me tell you something about this pen. This is a lancet pen, and only you will use this one. You will not allow your friends or your relatives to use this pen. So now look at here how I will open this pen. First you see these two signs, the one on the white side and one on the black side. Okay, so we will just rotate this anti-clockwise like this. Okay, and we will remove the cap. Now take your lancet needle and put like this. Okay, gently. That's done. Now rotate this slowly and remove this cap and put it here, because you will need it for removing this needle from the pin. Okay, so now what we will do, we will just put it here. Okay, the same like this, and we will rotate clockwise like this. Okay, we'll bring these signs to match each other in the same line. Okay, now here you can select your needle size. Okay, first you can try from the 2, 3 or 4 or 5. Myself, I will use 4 one. Okay, you will just, when you push the needle, so it's ready to use. This is the pricking button. Okay, you see here, you see you can hear the sound, it's pricked. So we will push it back like this, and now it's ready to use for the pricking. Take a strip from the bottle and use like this. You can see here this has the two sides, the one in this one and the one this one. This is for the device and this is for the blood drop. Okay, So we will fix it here. If you can see, we will fix it like this and push slowly and gently. So you see the device turn on. Now here you can see, if you can see this symbol, this is showing the strip with a drop, blood drop. So you are ready to use this strip. If your device is not showing this symbol, so it means there is some problem in the strip. So remove the strip and try again. If again this is not showing, so remove the strip and use another one. Clean your finger with alcohol swab and let it become dry for a few seconds, because if this is wet with the alcohol, so it may interfere with the result. So we will prick here. I will increase the needle size. Push it like this, so more blood will come here. Our device is ready and we will put like this. This blood is not enough, if you can see here, and the result will become wrong. Or even this need more blood. You see, this is not going to show the result, so we need more blood. You see, from this prick, there is more blood. (146). This is the result now. Now what you will do, the important step which I told you, you have to do that one. You can see here the symbol. If you cannot remember, so just take your booklet beside you and you select. You see here, this is after meal. So we will select this sign. You see, this is fasting marker, this is before meal, and this one is after meal. So we will click this one. You see, the device shows the blue or the green light, and it shows us this result of the sugar level is in target range. Okay guys, now after this watch my another video which I recorded early in the morning on fasting condition. You can see here I changed the sign from the complete apple to this half apple. So actually this is after meal, after 2 hours after meal. So you can see here the device say it's under normal range. Viewers, to make this video it take a lot of time from me, so please give me a favor and subscribe to my channel, just to encourage me to make more informational videos for you people. Stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching the video.